मुझे ना छोटे पैकेट वाली चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. दे लुक क्यूट ऑल्सो. वी kept in place. I have to put the house in order. Since whole of the week I would not be in the house. I would be there, but it was feeling attached to this sari because I wore on my convocation, and that's not. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल ब्लॉग. सो आज के ब्लॉग की मैं शुरुआत कर रही हूँ और मेरी साड़ी कहीं फंस गई है. हाँ जी, कुर्सी पे फंस गई थी मेरी साड़ी. सो दीज आर दी ग्लिचेस दैट हैपन व्हेन यू वेयर अ साड़ी. आई हैव गॉट अ न्यू लुक या फैंसी स्टफ. आप बताओ, आपने नोटिस किया दी फैंसी स्टफ? बट एनी हाउ, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग द ब्लॉग फ्रॉम टुडे. सो आज संडे है. सुबह से मैं काफ़ी सारे काम निपटा रही थी. येस. एंड इट्स अराउंड 6:40. 7 बजने जा रहे हैं. आई वॉज जस्ट क्रेविंग सो मच ऑफ what should I call, the brothy stuff. So I was craving, like, what should I say, burnt garlic soup noodles. I was craving these soupy pasta noodles. I was craving fried noodles in soup. So I was craving a lot of stuff, and coffee as well. So yeah, that's a problem. आपका फोकस फूड पे जा रहा है. बट एनी हाउ, सो आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू मेक अ गुड कॉफ़ी. कहाँ रखी है मैंने कॉफ़ी? सो आई जनरली लाइक टू हैव लाइक I prefer David Hoff coffee. So I had, but I recently tried for this. So it's a travel pack sort of a thing. So like, I'm at home, I generally not prefer to have like कॉफ़ी. मुझे कॉफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक घर पे पसंद नहीं है. जब मैं काम वगैरह करती हूँ देन आई प्रेफर टू हैव कॉफ़ी. सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू व्हाट दिस कॉफ़ी इज़ लाइक. या सो ओ माय गॉड. या सो दिस इज़ व्हाट दिस आउटफिट लुक्स लाइक. डोंट लुक एट माई टेबल. टेबल पे नहीं देखना है, राइट? But it's anyhow coming in the frame. Shall we shift? So it's raining heavily outside. मौसम को तो पता नहीं क्या, मैंने इतने आज अपने क्लोथ्स वगैरह ड्राई किए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वेदर. एट टाइम्स इट्स रियली वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. बाहर अच्छी खासी बारिश हो रही है. एंड या, आई एम रेडी टू टॉक टू यू ऑल. First, yeah, so we are ready to talk and good to go. So to begin with, I was just, so आपने अगर ये David Hoff, so I have tried a lot of coffees like small. I don't know, but I have a lot of likeness for, what should I call, मुझे ना छोटे पैकेट वाली चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. They look cute also, and it's like you don't have like more of it. ऑल्सो क्वान्टिफाई हो जाता है थोड़ा. सो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू लुक इन टू दिस, सो देर आर सम, दिस इज़ वॉट इट इज़. इट्स कॉल्ड David Hoff pencil coffee. Yeah, it's pencil coffee and travel pack. So it's like some 1.8 gram sticks that you will find in this packet. So you can have, like, if you want, you're on a quick go, hot water, just pour in and have it. But I was just craving in the frothy wali coffee nahi hoti hai. You just feel too nice to have that with all that frothiness that it comes. So I was just craving that. So I was planning to like make that coffee frothy wali, but I think it's already close to 7. So 7 बजने जा रहा है. So if I right now have a coffee, I won't be able to sleep. So I have to plan it for tomorrow. Like maybe in the morning when I wake up for my breakfast, I can have this coffee. So the coffee idea is drop for the time being because it might affect my sleep. Anyhow, I'm very like, so it's always planned, not early waking up. I have coffee neither when I sleep. 2-3 hours before that I don't have coffee, otherwise it affects my sleep cycle. Now coming back to the routine and stuff. So yeah, I was since morning. So I सब कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि मुझे भगवान ने औरत क्यों बनाया, इतना काम इतना काम इतना काम ना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक जाती हूँ. So I just woke up and I have a lot of things to finish, uh, like in terms of clothes to be dried, to be put in washing machine, then they have to be ironed, they have to be kept in place. I have to put the house in order, since whole of the week I would not be in the house. I would be there, but it would be quite late by the time I'm coming back from the work. So I have to put everything in order, like my fridge, my house also has to be kept clean. So a lot of things have to be like clean, and if I'm not doing all those stuff, I really doesn't feel good in my own house. So I do give time to it. So that way it was a lot of work to finish it off. So I just finished off my work like an hour ago, and then I thought of maybe I should rest and make a coffee. But time for that, you see, it's so पंखा नहीं चला सकती, आवाज़ आएगी, so it will create a problem for these stuff. But anyhow, uh, yeah, so I just wanted to say hi to you. Sawan aa gaya hai. No, it's not inspired by Sawan, this look. It's a pretty sari that I wore on my convocation. So I just have a special feeling attached to this sari because I wore on my convocation, and that's not, yeah, that's why it's special. So I just thought of that greenish color, greenish. It just makes you feel so good. Yeah, so that's it from Aparajita Tail Vlog. Also, I got a bit of a change. Like I said, I get bored, so bored means I have to change my look, and yeah, I just got my look changed. Do let me know how is it looking. Is it pretty? Is it nice? Or is it just okayish? Okayish as in okayish, or it's like pretty as in pretty. So yeah, so maybe what I realized today, that sometime when you are very much engaged with too many to do list, it's literally like one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So I like really to just get some space to breathe in and to just take a pause and do my things. But when you have too much stuff on your to-do list, it's really difficult that you can really get that space for a pause or two, because a lot of your good feeling come from that space between where you don't have a lot of things on your platter to do, but at the same time you do the things, and in between that space is great. It's a very beautiful feeling. So yeah, so that's it from Aparajita Tail Vlog. Coffee from some other day. I'll make and beat this coffee, have it with sugar, a lot of sugar, frothiness. Yeah, health is just at the parking when it comes to craving is something that you can't do away with. So yeah, so I'll maybe have a coffee tomorrow, but create that space for yourself in between too much of work. When you're doing, can you get that space? It's also not very good to just have that space too much, because that also creates a problem. So if you have too much of space, nothing to do for a very long stretch of, at least for me, that's how it is. I don't know about you. That is also a problem. But इतनी बारिश हो रही है, और आप मेरे को देख लो मैं कितना स्वेट कर रही हूँ. Yeah, so maybe we'll take this conversation, but do create a space where you feel good. Just dress it up. Just take out time. काम नहीं ख़त्म हो रहा है, औरत होने के नाते तो बिल्कुल नहीं ख़त्म हो रहा है. हो सकता है डबल ट्रिपल भी होता जाए आपका काम. तो आप देख लो आप कैसे मैनेज करने वाले हो. बट एनी हाउ, do let me know how is this looking, and this sari and the pretty look that I have got, lovely or not. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tail Vlog. We'll just take this ahead with the next one. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita.